Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered marshmallows step by step. Melt the chocolate gently, holding the marshmallow with a skewer, dip fully, and tap off excess. Place each piece on parchment and sprinkle toppings while wet. Refrigerate briefly to set the shell, then store in an airtight container to retain texture and freshness for sharing or gifting. Warm and friendly tip time. Use chocolate chips or couverture for best melting behavior and flavor. Set up a dipping station with a small bowl of melted chocolate, a tray lined with parchment, and toppings nearby. Keep a cup of warm water to reheat chocolate gently if it thickens. Work in batches so pieces set evenly, and you can maintain a steady dipping rhythm through the process. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more treats like this. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof containers for storing finished sweets and leftovers. They save time and keep treats fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When dipping, hold the marshmallow on a skewer and rotate for full coverage, then tap gently to remove drips for a clean look. Add toppings within seconds so they adhere before the shell firms. For a two-tone finish, dip a second time after the first coat sets. Store completed treats in a cool place or refrigerate briefly to speed setting before gifting or serving to friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.